Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Cupcake Polish, Heliconia, and Ejiubas EJB02. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2, and here is Cupcake Polish, Heliconia. This is one that my friend Miss Tammy gave me. Oh, stunning. It's so pretty. I'm going to go in and cap my free edge first. Sometimes I like to do that with certain polishes. Hi Woody, how you doing? And now I'm going to go in with my first coat. This one is an unusual color. It's a little orange, it's a little peach, it's a little pink. It's got gold shimmer all through it. Cupcake Polish has some of the most amazing colors. They just jump out at you. Gotta get Woody back out here to clean up my mess. Yes, indeed, we're making a mess today. And now I'm going to go in with the second coat. Oh, the formula is fantastic. I was so excited about this. So, here we go. I will let you know that I have decided to go ahead and do the video on these polishes that she gave me. I am topping it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Seal it in, dry it down, get it ready for some playing. Like I said, I will do that video and show you all of the beautiful polishes that Miss Tammy gifted me. Look at that. Oh, and this is Ejiubas EJB02. And I've got Maniology Coconut out. You guys know I love me some coconut. My Cube Stamper and my Beauty Scraper. That Cube Stamper is by Maniology, by the way. And I'm going in with this flower, kind of lacy image. It's got a little bit of both, a little flower, a little lace. And I'm like thinking, well, that's not showing up really all that great. So we're going to do something here in a minute to fix it. Cleaning that stamper off on a lint roller. You could use a piece of tape. And the plate's getting cleaned with pure acetone. I'm going to go ahead and do this on my ring fingernail as well. Got something else in mind for the other nails. We'll see how that works out. So here we go. I'm going to roll this one on. Well, mush it down on. I don't know. We'll see. Rolling, mushing. I decided to use Shibori for Maniology and do some double stamping. Wasn't what I had in mind originally, but sometimes you got to change plans while you're in the middle of it. And I do that quite often. Since I don't do practice nails and take a lot of time to figure out what I'm doing, if what I'm doing I'm not really digging, then I just go kind of roll with it. So there we go. And now I've turned the plate because I think that the image needs to be scraped from a different angle. Sometimes you've got to do that if it's not picking up really just good. So I feel like I got a better scrape on that one. So there we have it. I'm going to use this like swishy line over on the side, and I'm going to do the double stamping on these images as well. And I'm going to do that on the rest of my nails. I'm going to go pretty much down the middle, liking it. And I have to be honest, this last minute decision ended up being my favorite part of this manicure. I really loved the double stamped swishy lines. And here I have realized I need to turn it around because I had done that on the first one. So here, good save. I love that though. I don't know what it is about it that got me, but I did like it a lot. There we go. Going to do that on the next one. And, you know, I have trouble getting things really centered. So using a wavy line like this really made it nice because it doesn't have to be spot on perfect down the middle of the nail. For those of you out there that are like me and struggle with that. I thought this worked out really well. Loving it. I love that all these little side images on all these Ejiubas plates. Ejiubas, whatever you want to call them. You know, it just works for me. I think that You know, you can use them in so many different ways. Across the nail, diagonal, up and down. You can just use them any way you want. So I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and clean this up. Get some of that nail paint off my skin. And then I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush and do my final cleanup. I do like cleaning up as I go. I think that paint's easier to get up when it's wet. I am going to top this one with the smudge-free top coat from Nailtiques. And I would say I didn't do perfect on my accent nails on my thumb and my ring fingernail, but it's all good. And I'm going to use the Posh Top Coat. It was sitting out on my desk, and I decided to go ahead and use it because I do love it. Y'all know that I'm still in love with this stuff. Capping my fridge here. And there's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.